wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Except for everything this year, hope you have a fun and relaxed Christmas and surrounded by family and good vibes.
Wishing you and your loved ones a wonderful Christmas. It's been awesome working together this year. Looking forward to more success in the future.
How about a personalized greeting card? It will show our appreciation for their support all year long.
Maybe a tin of creamer green tea or some herbal wines. Tea is blessing and is a gift keeps on giving throughout holidays.
A successful end to the year, tons of happy clients, and maybe a few days off to actually enjoy the holidays.
All I want for Christmas is more others, happy customers.
All I want for Christmas is to create amazing memories with my loved ones.
Thanks for being such a great partner. Can't wait to see what we can accomplish together next year.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Merry Christmas.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.